The Cable Tension Tendon Drive interactive calculator helps engineers determine critical forces and parameters in cable-driven mechanical systems. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate cable tension from load, calculate required motor torque, calculate actuator displacement, calculate output load capacity, calculate system efficiency and power loss, or calculate safety factor and braking strength. For this demo, we're using calculate cable tension from load. Enter your output load force in newtons, number of pulleys, pulley efficiency as a percentage, friction coefficient, pulley radius in millimeters, cable tension in newtons, output displacement in millimeters, wrap angle in degrees, cable speed in millimeters per second, cable diameter in millimeters, and cable braking strength in newtons. For our example, with an output load force of 50 newtons, 2 pulleys at 92% efficiency, 0.05 friction coefficient, 15 mm pulley radius, and 180-degree wrap angle, clicking calculate gives us a cable tension of 31.80 newtons. The mechanical advantage shows 2.0 to 1, which makes sense with our 2-pulley system. The power loss reads 434.78%, indicating significant inefficiency in this configuration. This tool streamlines your cable drive calculations. Find the link in the description below.